You don't need fancy tools. You need smart moves. You're not behind. You're just getting started. Here's a quick guide based on your personality. Personality path. You can easily understand. Take the free quiz linked in the description to discover your ideal path. And I'll send you a step-by-step starter guide. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving a website's visibility in search engine results like Google, Bing, or Yahoo organically, meaning without paying for ads. The goal is to increase free organic traffic to your website by making it appear higher when people search for related topics. Key objectives of SEO: rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, drive more organic, unpaid traffic, improve website quality and user experience, build brand credibility and trust. Main components of SEO: on-page SEO, optimizing content, and HTML source code, e.g. keywords, meta tags, headings. Off-page SEO, improving authority through backlinks from other websites, e.g. guest posts, social sharing. Technical SEO, enhancing site structure and performance, e.g. speed, mobile friendliness, sitemaps. Local SEO, optimizing for local searches, e.g. coffee shop near me, using Google My Business and location keywords. Example: if someone searches best running shoes and your blog or product page appears on the first page of Google results, that's successful SEO.